Good decision, but late. Scrapping of IIT was due long back. It is time when we have to listen to the voices of the people. I have been continuously taking issues up and reminding the government that you are doing wrong. It's the first time people have got together. Like this, I think everybody has to get together on issues and we have to see that decisions are taken, good decisions are taken by the government. Now, IIT is required or not? What is IIT? How much land they want? 9 lakhs they want. What are the benefits? Goan students will get benefit. Everything has to be told to the people. All details of everything has to be told to the people before anything is done. Otherwise, you have hue and cry of the people. So, what next has to be done nicely, or we will have a repeat situation of Melauli. My request to the government, like always, we always oppose. Instead of opposing, first only you see that all these things are in proper direction before the next step. So it was a good decision. Late, nevertheless, democracy has won, and it's a great step. I think Goa is changing, and I want Goa to change. That's my dream. We have always thought Goa was our ancestors' dream Goa.